Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows Google Play Store error open again and again. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, open a settings of your mobile phone, and after doing this test go down and find out the apps. Now open a apps. After that find out a Google Play Store. Now here is a Google Play Store, so open a Google Play Store. After doing this tab, select a storage. First of all clear the caches, and after doing this tab clear the data of Google Play Store. After that back open a Google Play services, go to your storage, click on clear caches and click on a manage storage. After that click on a clear all data, click on OK button. After stopping your Google Play store services, now you can say the complete setup automatically once again re-updated. So after doing this stat, go to your settings of the Windows and scroll down and find out the accounts. Now here is a accounts and backups, so click on it. Now click on a manage accounts. After doing this data find out your Google account and click on a remove account, so click on remove account, click on OK button to verify your identity. Now after removing your account, restart your mobile phone, and after restarting your mobile phone, now the Google Play all applications once again automatically re-updated, and log in your account. And after doing this that, I'm sure that your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.